Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to use your own voice in Suno AI to create music in your voice, then this video is for you. First thing you have to do is simply click on the create after log into your suno.com account. Then when you are on create your section, then you can find a plus audio option. Simply click on plus audio, and from here you can find upload option and a record option. So you can, if you have your own voice that recorded in your file, then you can double click on it, or you can single click and simply click on open to open that music or voice. Or you can do is record your own voice by simply click on it and click on this red button here to start the recording. And you can record your voice for 1 minute here. So after recording that voice, make sure your voice is clear and echo free, and also there is no noise at the background of your music, so you can upload your foolproof or clear voice to get a clear output or the result from the Suno AI. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.